My name's Sue Nichol, and I live in West Yorkshire, quite near Leeds. I'm a hypnobirthing teacher, and with hypnobirthing, I help people achieve a really comfortable, natural, and easy birth. The hypnobirthing system was started by a lady called Marie Mongan, who's in the States, and she's now in her 70s. And she built on the work that had been done by many people, predominantly Grantley Dick Reed in England. She knew that it should be possible to have a baby without fear and without excessive pain, and to have a baby naturally and comfortably, and to actually experience it as a wonderful thing. So she's built up a whole system which is actually now taught all around the world, and it's taught in a series of sessions. Usually we have 5 sessions with a bit of time in between so that you can practice what you learn. And in each session you'll learn something new. You'll learn new breathing technique, new relaxation, new way of visualizing, and you'll learn lots of knowledge too. Many people come with their partners, some people come with their mums, and some people come with their friends. But it's really nice to have somebody with you so that somebody can help you when you're actually having your baby. Now, if that sounds like the sort of thing you'd like to do, if you'd like to have your baby in a nice, calm, relaxed atmosphere, when you're in control and you can take charge of what's going on, then just send me an email. It's sue@suenichol.com, or give me a ring and we can have a chat and you can ask me some more questions. Okay.